Good morning, and welcome to Breathe. Thank you for joining us in this guided morning gratitude meditation and giving yourself the best possible start to your day. I'd like to invite you to find a comfortable position, wherever that may be. Whenever you're ready, gently start to close your eyes, beginning with a few easy breaths, breathing in and feeling your chest expand, and breathing out. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, continuing at your own natural pace. Gifting yourself these precious morning moments to reflect can really set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Today is a brand new day, full of opportunity, ideas, and experiences waiting to be discovered by you. As you take your next breath, try to think of one thing you are grateful for this morning. Maybe it's having a loved one in your life, or waking up from a relaxing night of sleep. Or maybe it's an exciting opportunity at work. Once you have a thought in mind, focus on how this positive energy makes you feel. With these next few breaths, feel the warmth of these positive thoughts fill your body, starting from the top of your head, passing through your chest, and down to your toes. And just let yourself enjoy this moment. Let's take a few more breaths together. Breathing in deeply and breathing out slowly. Inhale. Hold your breath and release. And one more time. Inhale. Hold your breath and release. And whenever you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room and gently open your eyes. Today's going to be a great day. Thank you for joining us in this guided morning gratitude meditation. And thank you for giving yourself this time. If you enjoyed this meditation, please make sure to subscribe and let us know in the comments what other meditations you'd like to experience.